In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Ecosia from Chrome. If Ecosia is currently set as your search engine in Chrome, or if it simply appears in your saved search engine list and you want to remove it, the process is straightforward. We'll be working directly inside Chrome settings, so you can change your default search provider and then delete Ecosia from the browser's stored search engine options. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its main controls and settings. From that menu, select Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Search Engine and click on it. This area controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type directly into the address bar, also known as the Omnibox. Next, find the option called Search Engine used in the address bar. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose the search engine you'd prefer to use instead of Ecosia. This is an important step because Chrome usually won't let you remove a search engine if it is still set as the active default. So before deleting Ecosia, make sure something else is selected here. After that, stay on the same search engine settings page and click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This will open a more detailed list of saved search engines and any site-specific searches Chrome has stored. Now scroll down until you reach the search engines or site search section, depending on the version of Chrome you're using. Chrome's layout can vary slightly between updates, so don't worry if the labels look a little different. The goal is simply to find the list where saved search providers appear. In that list, look for Ecosia. Once you find it, click the three dots next to its entry. A small menu will appear. From there, select Delete. That will remove Ecosia from Chrome's saved search engine list. At this point, Ecosia should no longer be your default search engine, and it should also be removed from the list if deletion was successful. If you don't see the delete option, double check that Ecosia is no longer selected as the search engine used in the address bar. Then try again. And that's it. You've successfully removed Ecosia from Chrome. If you're following along, you can now close the settings tab and continue browsing with your preferred search engine in place.